Tony Stark here. Glad you can make it to my Stark Expo this evening. We've got quite a show for you, and we're just wrapping up a few finishing touches, so until then, why don't we get the mood going with a little...
And now, please welcome the man of the hour, an innovator ahead of his time, technological genius, and your host for tonight's thrilling event, the incomparable Tony Stark.
What's up, adventure? Oh, thank you. And thank you, Friday, for your wonderfully kind yet accurate words.
Spoken just as you wrote them, sir.
Guilty as charged. And now, Iron Man is officially on deck. Welcome to Stark Expo. Who's ready to see some technology that's gonna blow their mind? Woo! Well, that guy is. I've invited a few friends along. In fact, they're assembling right now. Would you like to meet them? All right, let's do this. First, someone who has made giant steps in the microscopic world, and he worked with me to develop the tech you're going to see today. From PIM Technologies, my friend and colleague, Scott Lang.
Hey everyone, I'll be right down.
Or better known as the astonishing Ant-Man.
Wow, look at this place. I feel like a rock star.
All right, Taylor Swift, shake it off. Next, one of S.H.I.E.L.D.'s most talented and intimidating agents. She has mad skills. She's dangerous, and I wouldn't want to be back on her naughty list. Please welcome Natasha Romanoff, the Black Widow.
Tony, Scott, everyone.
And finally, a true hero defending freedom across the world, Sam Wilson, or, as we all know him now, Captain America.
What's up, everybody?
What, no showing off your fancy wings?
Come on, did you really want me to outdo your entrance, Tony?
No, you're right. Can't have you looking cooler than me.
What's up, Tic Tac?
Nothing much. Just wrote a novel, a book. Want me to sign a copy? I have like 40 in my room.
All right, let's get to the reason that we're all here. The unveiling of the next big thing, the device that will propel us into the future, the quantum power orb. Scott, that's your cue.
Oh, right. Using what I know of the quantum realm and what Tony has learned from the Tesseract, or the Space Stone, we were able to create a device capable of generating temporary portals.
Yeah, take that, Doctor Strange.
Hold up, you did what now?
They made a makeshift space stone using quantum energy.
Yeah, that's what I heard too. You know every bad guy out there is gonna want to get their hands on this thing.
And that's why I invited you, to back me up. Now, who's ready to test this baby out?
Are you sure this thing is safe?
Nothing to worry about. We've tested this so many times, like a lot of times. Right, Tony?
Sure. Now, let's start this demo with a portal to welcome another captain we are all fans of, Captain Marvel.
Ah, looky her.
That's right. I've already added a number of heroes to the orb's database. Now I just type in the search box. Let's see. Marvel. M-A-R-V-E-L. And voila! Uh-oh.
Ms. Marvel?
Iron Man? What happened to my bedroom? Is my body switching again?
Nope, everything's good. Right, Scott?
Yeah, you see, I must have accidentally chosen Ms. Marvel instead of Captain Marvel in our database. Sorry about that. Fat thumbs.
But you're lucky I wasn't in my pajamas. Wait, are we on the Avenger? I am totally posting this!
Oh, wait, we should get you home, Miss Marvel.
Okay, silver lining. The orb works. See, everyone? Nothing to worry about.
My friends, I'd like to receive your invitation.
Wow, nice entrance
don't know who Maleficent is, but he sounds like my kind of guy.
You're not getting yours.
Thor, glad you could join us.
Of course. I'm always here when a friend is in need. And I hear they have shawarma on this vessel.
Wait, they have shawarma?
Yes. Perhaps we should grab some for takeaway.
Red Skull.
Another Captain Unveiling. I hope you're as troublesome a predecessor.
Yeah? Well, I can't wait to disappoint.
This is the man you chose to partner with, brother. I mean, look at him. He's so...
Scott, I'd like to phone a friend.
Already on it.
Wakanda forever!
Black Panther?
T'Challa, good to see you again, Your Highness.
You too, Tony. Tony, you take the front of the ship. I'll take the aft. I will join you.
And I will deal with Loki.
What do I do?
Yeah, just stick with me, kid. I don't need a phone call from your parents.
The rest of you, keep these people safe and protect the orb.
Have you ever heard of the phrase, if it's not yours, don't touch it? Whoa! I guess you haven't. Lights! Look out! Ah! Don't you know that smoking's bad for my health? So, how'd I do?
You did all right, kid. We're all clear down here. Tony?
Hang on. And we're all clear up here.
Hey, did you know they have a restaurant here with my Spider-Man? Selfie!
Does anyone have eyes on Thor or Loki?
I've lost Loki.
You don't mind if I join, do you? Nope, because I don't want to do this all day.
You must be the appetizers. Don't worry, kids. Nobody really gets hurt in a Disney show.
Move.
Oh, really? Can you do this? Ooh, what about this? Well, I can't say I'm not a little disappointed. Friends? Ow! Knuckles!
how you defeat the bad